is Jagielski's intro. Jagielski preparation.
Hello, wonderful people. So this is not a gaming video, so if you are expecting a game, then you can leave. Some of you might know that my channel used to be called Jagielski Gaming, okay? And now it's called the Jagielski channel. And the reason for that rebranding was because I don't want to make only gaming video. Like, I love gaming. I will keep doing gaming videos. But yeah, I don't want to do only gaming videos. And this is one of those non-gaming videos. So, CHM Tech, CHM like that outdated, awful head format Microsoft tried to push with Windows 98 that replaced perfectly fine Windows help, like, HLP files. Some people might remember that. Anyway, that CHM Tech guy released quite a dangerous video, okay? Because he claims that dropping Windows 10 is let me check that it could be a huge problem. But and unfortunately he also deleted my comment. But yeah, it is not a huge problem, okay? It is not a huge problem. Okay, it might be a huge problem for Microsoft, but for most people, it is not a huge problem. It is an opportunity. Opportunity to get people to install a proper virus-free, security hole-free operating system, GNU Linux, okay? And if you dare to say that Linux is not good operating system, then sorry, but you are an idiot, okay? You are either an idiot or you are on the payroll of Microsoft, and there's really not anything in between, okay? Because on Linux you can do everything you can do on Windows, okay? Maybe it's not as flashy. Then again, KDE, which is much better looking environment than Windows. And Windows is a garbage operating system, okay? Actually, calling it a garbage operating system is an insult to actual garbage, okay? Linux is far better. Oh, but I cannot Microsoft Office something. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. LibreOffice, okay? LibreOffice. But gaming. Steam. Packing Steam. Proton. You think that Valve made Steam Deck to make a funny Switch ripoff? No. Valve made Steam Deck so that developers have an incentive to either port their games to Linux, because SteamOS is Linux, it is GNU Linux. So no, SteamOS is a proper Linux. So Valve made Steam Deck and earlier Steam machines to make developers either port the games to Linux, or at the very least make it Wine compatible, because Proton is basically Wine, just with Steam branding on it, okay? Just with Valve branding on it. And but AutoCAD something computer design FreeCAD. Okay, with FreeCAD this is a bit complicated because there are actually two software called FreeCAD. Okay. One is shit, and the other one is quite decent replacement for tools like AutoCAD. Okay, so yeah, but my hardware, your hardware is probably already supported. And probably supported even better than on Windows. Okay, Linux is the future. So no, ending the support of Windows is not a problem. Okay. Again, it might be a problem for Microsoft because no more money, but it is not a problem for most people because they can install Linux when Windows 10 finally bites the dust. Okay. Or even now. I'm too lazy to do that, by the way, but Linux has several advantages, okay? It has everything Windows has, and people care about, and it has things that Windows doesn't have, like proper hardware support. Like if you I don't know, let's say you have a scanner that you have bought I don't know, in 1990, and it doesn't work on Windows because what? Windows 10 doesn't have drivers for that old SCSI scanner. But you know what operating system had drivers for that SCSI scanner? Linux. And it reduces e-trash, okay? Because normally if your hardware becomes, let's say, obsolete, as in it still fucking works, but the manufacturer doesn't want to support it anymore, then after a few Windows versions, it won't work. Even if hardware is working correctly, it won't work on the newer Windows because there will be no drivers. But it will work on Linux, and we will work on Linux until the heat death of the universe, or until the hardware becomes actually broken, whichever comes first. Okay. So Linux is good for the environment. Okay. Linux is fucking good for the environment. And another thing is fucking Linux, you idiot! If you don't have Linux by the next Monday, you are a fucking idiot, okay? No! Fucking idiot! Install fucking Linux right fucking now! Install Linux! Do you understand? Goodbye! Wobbly, Windows, ah, sweet gelatinos, Windows, um, cough, Yes, yes. 12. Yes, yes. Ooh. Oh, super took start. Ah, oh.